Finding the Right Home Care Agency, Your Ultimate Guide. Hey everyone, it's Han from Signal Health Group. Today we're diving into a topic that's incredibly important but often misunderstood. I know that navigating the world of home care can feel a bit like trying to understand the finer points of quantum physics. The sheer volume of information can be daunting. It's complicated, often overwhelming, and there's a lot at stake. The decisions you make can have a profound impact on the quality of life for your loved ones. You want the best possible care for your loved one, and finding the right agency is a huge part of that. It's not just about finding someone to help with daily tasks. It's about ensuring their dignity, comfort, and well-being. That's why we're here today to break down this complex process into digestible pieces. We aim to simplify the journey for you, making it easier to understand and navigate. Over the next few minutes, we'll be your guide as we explore the different types of agencies. From private duty agencies to full-service home health care providers, we'll cover it all. We'll also delve into the key factors to consider when making your choice. What should you look for in a home care agency? What qualifications and certifications matter? And of course, we'll go over the essential questions you need to ask. These questions will help you gauge the quality and reliability of the agencies you're considering. We believe that knowledge is power, and our goal is to empower you with the information you need to make the best decision for your family. The more informed you are, the better choices you can make. So, whether you're just starting your research or you're feeling a little lost in a sea of options, don't worry. We're here to help you make sense of it all. Grab your metaphorical compass and let's navigate this together. By the end of this guide, you'll have a clearer understanding of what to look for and how to find the best home care agency for your needs. The first thing you need to understand is that not all home care agencies are created equal. Each type of agency offers different services, funding options, and levels of care, which can significantly impact your experience and satisfaction. There are three main types: private pay, insurance covered, and government funded. Each of these has its own set of advantages and challenges, and understanding these can help you make an informed decision. Private pay agencies, as the name suggests, are funded directly by the client or their family. This means you have more flexibility and control over the services provided and the caregivers you choose. You can tailor the care to meet specific needs and preferences, ensuring a more personalized experience. This level of customization can be particularly beneficial for those with unique care requirements or those who prefer a more hands-on approach in selecting their caregivers. However, it also means you're responsible for the full cost of care, which can be substantial. The financial burden can be significant, especially for long-term care. It's important to carefully consider your budget and financial resources when opting for private pay services. Some families may find it necessary to explore other funding options or financial assistance programs to manage these costs. Insurance-covered agencies work with health insurance plans, Medicare, or Medicaid to cover some or all of the cost of care. This can be a huge financial relief as it reduces the out-of-pocket expenses for families. However, it also means you'll need to work within the parameters of your specific insurance plan, which might limit your choices. Insurance plans often have specific criteria and limitations on the types of services covered, the duration of care, and the selection of caregivers. It's crucial to thoroughly review your insurance policy and understand what is and isn't covered to avoid unexpected expenses. Finally, government-funded agencies receive funding from state or federal programs to provide care for individuals who meet specific eligibility requirements. These programs can be a lifeline for those who qualify, offering essential services at little to no cost. However, they often come with waiting lists and stricter limitations on services. The application process can be lengthy and complex, requiring thorough documentation and proof of eligibility. It's important to start the application process early and be prepared for potential delays. In summary, choosing the right home care agency involves understanding the different types available and considering your specific needs, preferences, and financial situation. Whether you opt for private pay, insurance-covered, or government-funded care, each option has its own set of benefits and challenges. Taking the time to research and evaluate these options can help ensure you make the best decision for your loved one's care. Remember, the goal is to provide the best possible care and support for your loved one, ensuring their comfort, safety, and well-being. Now that you have a basic understanding of the different types of agencies, let's delve deeper into the key factors to consider when making your choice. Choosing the right home care agency is a significant decision that can greatly impact the quality of life for your loved one. The first and arguably most crucial factor is the agency's reputation. A good reputation often indicates a history of satisfied clients and reliable service. Look for agencies with a proven track record of providing high-quality care. This can be gauged through various means such as online reviews, testimonials, and word-of-mouth recommendations. Read online reviews, ask for references, and talk to other families who have used their services. Personal experiences can provide invaluable insights that you won't find in brochures or on websites. Experience is another important factor to consider. An agency with years of experience is likely to have encountered a wide range of situations and developed effective solutions. How long has the agency been in business? Longevity can be a sign of stability and reliability. What is their experience with your specific needs? Specialized care requires specific expertise, so ensure the agency has experience in handling conditions similar to those of your loved one. Don't be afraid to ask about their staff's qualifications and training. Well-trained caregivers are essential for providing high-quality care. Cost is obviously a major consideration, but remember that the cheapest option isn't always the best. It's important to balance cost with the quality of care provided. It's essential to find an agency that offers competitive rates without compromising on the quality of care. Look for transparent pricing and be wary of hidden fees. Finally, consider the agency's availability. Flexibility in scheduling can be crucial, especially if your loved one requires care at odd hours or on short notice. Can they provide the services you need when and where you need them? Ensure the agency can accommodate your specific scheduling needs and is capable of providing consistent, reliable care. Asking the right questions. Once you've narrowed down your options, it's time to start asking some important questions. First and foremost, make sure the agency is properly licensed and certified. This ensures they meet specific standards of care and safety. Next, inquire about their staff's qualifications. Are they background checked? What kind of training do they receive? Don't hesitate to ask about their care philosophy. Do they prioritize independence and dignity? Do they involve family members in the care plan? Finally, ask about their communication practices. How often will they update you on your loved one's condition? How do they handle emergencies? Remember, choosing a home care agency is a big decision. We understand that choosing a home care agency is a significant decision that can feel overwhelming. We hope this guide has provided some clarity and guidance as you navigate this process. At Signal Health Group, we're committed to providing compassionate, personalized care that empowers individuals to live their lives to the fullest. If you have any questions or need further assistance in finding the right home care agency for your loved one, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. Our team of experts is here to support you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we wish you the very best in your home care journey.